Welcome back. Okay, so I picked these up from the Dollar Tree not too long ago, and I wanted to just kind of do a review on them. They are by Sassy Chic, and they look just like this, and it says glue included, but I'm not using that glue. I used it for some glitter on some makeup, but as far as lashes, I am definitely not using it. I'm gonna use my regular Broadway glue. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do a review on these just to see, how well they work or how good they look or how bad they look. If you would like to see, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so my thoughts about these lashes. To me, it's just something if you want to add a little to your eyes. Nothing major, they're not dramatic. Actually, they look like my lashes if I were to put mascara on. Yeah, but they're from the Dollar Tree. If you like really simple lashes, then I suggest you go get you some, girl. $1. I mean, what is that on the lash? I don't know if that is glitter or what. But yeah. I mean, I actually tore the box open trying to get trying to get it out, but yeah, they're just little lashes like that. Hopefully that was my thumbnail. I don't know. Should that be it? Yeah, but like I said, it's just a little something, nothing major. Mm. Okay, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that red button. Until next time, bye.